Good morning, Kasturians, and welcome to yet another video of chapter 7, that is changing cultural traditions. So let's start. In the last video we have discussed about Renaissance, the causes of Renaissance. Now we will discuss the effects of Renaissance. The very first effect of Renaissance was the beginning of the modern age. The modern age after Renaissance or as a result of Renaissance began with the movement called Humanism in Italy in 14th century. Humanism was the movement in 14th century that has its root associated with Italy. The Italian universities, they were centers of the legal studies. Francisco Patriarch was known as the father of humanism. According to Francisco, a shift from the study of law to the ancient Roman culture and texts was required. The term humanism was first used by the Roman lawyer and essayist Cicero. Humanists, they thought that they were restoring true civilization after centuries of darkness, as they believed that with the decline of the Roman Empire or collapse of the Roman Empire, the period of dark age has started, and the period from the 5th to 14th centuries was the Middle Ages, and the modern age started from 15th century as a result of the Renaissance. Since Renaissance is related to the developments and new creations in the field of art and literature also, so humanist art has a special place. In the 15th century, Florence was recognized for its prominent Renaissance work and the Renaissance men. It was Dante Alighieri who was an eminent poet and philosopher and who wrote many religious themes, and he is best known for his Divine Comedy, a classic epic. And along with Alighieri, it was Giotto who was a painter who used to paint lifelike portraits, which were very different from the still figures done by the earlier artists. And from then it developed as the most exciting intellectual city in Italy and as a center of artistic creativity, that is the Florence city. Then we have humanistic literature, that is humanities stream. By the 15th century, the term humanity was used for the masters who used to taught grammar, rhetoric, poetry, history and moral philosophy. Humanities word is taken from the Latin word humanitas, which meant culture and had been used for many centuries ago. These subjects were not drawn from or connected with religion and emphasized skills which were developed by individuals by way of discussions and debates. It was Giovanni Boccaccio, who was one of the greatest writer and humanist, who wrote Decameron, and the universities of Padua and Bologna had been the centers of legal studies. The humanists, they reached to the masses in a variety of ways through the curriculum in universities that continued to be dominated by law, medicine and theology. Humanist subjects, they slowly began to be introduced in schools, not just in Italy but in other European countries as well.